I'm Christine Trang. I'm a senior product manager with Descartes, and I focus on our restricted party screening solutions. In speaking with our clients, a lot of the challenges that they're facing lately are that with the regulations changing so quickly and in such unprecedented ways, it's hard to keep up with everything. So we're working with them to try and figure out how we can make them more effective, more efficient, while still ensuring that they're as compliant as they need to be and keeping up with all those regulations. We are finding that across our customer base, they are getting more questions from parts of their business that they weren't traditionally working with. So questions from the C-suite around all the different compliance changes that happen and are happening right now. How are these trade compliance teams going to keep up with it, and just how is it going to affect their bottom line as well? So that's something we're finding that just with the volume of changes and the depth of the changes, there's a lot more focus for our customers on trade compliance as a whole. Within Descartes, we have a number of different options for restricted party screening. We wanted to make sure that for our customers, we had different options available for them based off of what they need. Whether restricted party screening is something that they do all day, every day, versus something that they do as part of a number of other responsibilities with their job, we want to make sure that we have the solutions that can work for them. And often a lot of our customers will implement various methods across their business because often one size doesn't always fit all. So we want to make sure to work with them for what they need. We work with a broad range of customers across industries, ranging from aerospace and defense industries to consumer goods and everything in between. We work a lot with universities, and we find that our customers have various challenges depending on their industry. So some places compliance is very top of mind, especially when you're in the aerospace side of things. Other times it's something that our customers are working to really educate their companies to make sure that they understand the importance of it. So we want to work with them to kind of go on that journey with them and find the best solution for them with that. We work with our customers to implement restricted party screening across their business, but we want to work with them to make sure that it works best for their situation. Whether it's offering the ability to just log into our system and perform a restricted party screening. That way you have all your lists in one place, you're doing one screening and you get your results and an audit trail there. Or it's something a little bit more robust where you may upload our batch functionality or have our system-to-system connectivity for real-time screening. So especially if you set up a compliance system where you have different business units across your business, sometimes it can be difficult to make sure that you have compliance occurring constantly. So by having those real-time APIs in place and that system-to-system connectivity, you have the peace of mind that it's always happening and you have your audit trail behind the scenes as well. So you have a centralized location that you can go through, review all of your alerts, make your decisions, and keep your decisions in one place if you're ever audited. So here at Descartes, we do have a number of different teams available to support our customers, whether it's our support team that's available. We also have our customer success managers that work with our customers to ensure that not only are the solutions that they have currently working well and configured to meet their needs, but they're also working with them to grow as they grow as well, and making sure that they're working with them to implement what's going to keep them as efficient as possible and keep up with all the different changes. There's regulation changes, there's technology changes. Our products are always changing as everything is kind of in flux. So we want to make sure that we're working with our customers so that the product is the best that it can be for their particular use cases. At Descartes, we're committed to partnering with our customers to ensure that their compliance programs are robust and meet their needs, not only today, but every day moving forward as well.